All right, so everybody turn to page 182. We're looking at applications of hypnosis. All right, so first of all, do you think that hypnosis can help you to recover memories? So you would think that being in a relaxed state can help you to retrieve memories, but actually, hypnosis isn't really a reliable way to retrieve memories because of the fact that those that are able to be put under hypnosis are highly suggestible. So the problem is that any potential leading questions, whether or not they are intentionally asked by the person asking the questions while the person's under hypnosis, could potentially create false memories. So for example, if the person asking the person under hypnosis, asked, did she, was she wearing a red hat? Maybe it was a male, but because the questioner assigned a gender, that could become a part of the person's memory. Just the power of suggestion. Other hypnotic claims. The whole idea of pain control is a huge thing. It's hard to believe that pain can actually be relieved without any kind of medication or anesthesia, but there is some evidence that it's true. My best friend, when she got pregnant about 17 years ago, she was like, I'm having my baby at home in a birthing pool. And I'm like, oh yeah, right. She's low tolerance for pain. But she had a friend who was trained in childbirth hypnosis and worked with her, and Meg had her baby at home in a birthing pool. And I was truly amazed. So to help you understand the kind of thing we're talking about here, again, it goes back to that sort of dual consciousness, that divided consciousness, the dual processing. We have these divisions within our consciousness. So we can be thinking about one thing and doing another thing, or whatever. So pain's happening in our consciousness, but we don't have to really pay attention to it. Imagine you're going to get a shot. If you're paying attention to that nurse coming at you with a needle, what are you going to do? You're probably going to tense up and it's going to hurt. Or even just your experience of pain. It's a lot of it is psychological. So if you're expecting it to hurt, it's going to hurt a lot worse. So having a baby can be a lot like that as well. If you expect it to hurt, then it's probably going to hurt. Also, when you're having a baby, there's muscles down there to have a baby that, and if you're kind of scared to have that baby, you tense up, and it's really kind of hard to squeeze baby out when you're all tensed up. So relaxing is a big part of that as well. And so a lot of the hypnosis is about relaxing. Lamaze is a lot of like that. It's just a lot of deep breathing and relaxing and redirecting your thoughts and not focusing on the pain. And so in just kind of understanding that, just not focusing on that part of your consciousness that is aware of the pain helps you to understand sort of this idea of hypnosis and pain control. How you can tap into that, I couldn't even begin to tell you. There is a very interesting clip on this slide on hypnosis and pain control. It's very compelling. So I think you should watch this. But there's, people who are actually getting, just like it says on page 183, they're actually having some dental procedures using hypnosis with no anesthesia. So I think it's pretty interesting. Yeah. Would you do that? I just think that's pretty interesting.